Now enter your name. That is, I will enter my name, system thing. Password I will use password. Right, click it, see connected. Now successful. Right, again with thumb and change the password. I love India. Right, and submit it. Connected your database. Now it is showing successful. Now let's see in our database whether it is updated or not. Right, now it is open. What we can do, see this data is already updated here. That is Python thing password. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to store your data in database. To that I will create one file. Go to terminal, go to new and go to JFrame home and click on it. Login form. Finish. Now this is the form. So right click on it, go to set layout and go to absolute layout. Right, so drag it and use your drag level and user name. Right, password. Now put it here and text field and password field. Now enlarge it. Right click on it, edit text, select this one and edit text, remove this one. Now change variable name. This is user name and here use change variable name password. I will use pass only. Right, now take on panel, use over here. This is our panel. So right click on it, go to properties and use border, choose anyone. That is, I'll choose this one and I will give here name log in system. Right, then border give values 2 comma 2 comma 2 and give thickness 2, right? Now go to font, change the font, that is bold 24 size or 36, and choose your color, what color you want, and okay, right? Now expand it, go to properties, go to font size, bold 28, 24, and you can change color, then go to foreground, change your color red, and again for this go to properties, change the color red, and change the font size bold 24, right? Now we need button to submit our data. Right click on it, submit button, and right click on it, properties, change the font size 18, and change color, that is foreground, or you change another color, right? So now right click on submit button, go to events, action perform. Now here actually you need to do is here only, right? For this, first of all we need to connect our database. That's why we need method, that is come to class and come down, use connection method, connect your database, and result set to set your result, that is I use others the result variable, and you need to prepare your statement, prepare statement in PST, right? So we are, it is showing here, that's why we need to import package. Now go to here, and instead of connection you just give start. Now everything has gone, right? So to do that, come here and use try block. Okay, if there is try, you have to use catch exception errors. Now you need to throw it, you need to see what was the error in your program. Print ln of vx. What is the error thrown in this try block? It will show and it will catch in exception. Then it will print out in our system.println. For this we need to take a string str is equals to sum dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc odbc driver driver to connect your database into MS Access. Next, class dot for name, and you have to store your this driver in this class dot for name. Now another string log, I mean string connect your database, that is what is your database. To connect that one we need to jdbc colon odbc colon your database name. I will give database name as test. Right, now you need to connect is equal to driver manager dot get connection and connect in on your database. Connect, we have to get connection. If it is connected, it should have to show here the option pane dot show message dialog, that is null comma give your message connected. Right, now here it is giving error, that's why we need this import. Now import this one. After this, call on method connect. Right, so create that connect implementation method. This is implementation method. First of all, before going to do that, we need to create our database test using in Microsoft. Right, so I will create database, go to programs, apps, and I will use access. I have access 2013, that's why I will use access, and I will create table to store my data, that is username and password. Right, so is opening now. Go to database, and database 2 is I means give login data is your database name. Create, go to create, and this is your MS Access, so you can create your table to store your data from your application. Right, now right click on it, go to design view, it will ask for table. Now I will use table name as data, or I will use login is my table name, remember that. Right, okay, now give here id is auto number, that's why it will automatically increment. Now use username should be text. Right, long text, user long text, and password. Now use this as password. Now long text only. Now save this. Do you want to save change to this design table login? Yes, save this one and view your table once. View your table, hit open. See, there is no data now. What you do means this my table is in here database C user my name and documents login database. That's why I need to open my control panel. Go to system and security, come down and go to administrative tool, and here is given that ODBC data source. How to do it? Click on it and go to system DNS DSN, and here one test is there, that's why go to add, and here format, your format is this one, mdb and accdb, and go to finish. Now here give your database name as test. I will give my login log, that means I will give data is my database name, and you have to select that one from, it is in C, and users, and here, and documents, right, documents, and I have saved that my table in login data. Now select this one and okay. Now do okay, see it is here data. Now okay, cancel it, and go to your database, and here the database name is data, right, that's why instead of test I need to use data. Data is my, now run it, run this file, and still you need to add your code to store the data. First of all we need to see whether our database is connected or not. It's running still, so uh, without entering in data, submit this. See, now your database is connected, right? Now cancel it, and you are connect. After connecting you need to store the data in your table, right? This is my function call. Now I have this connect method implementation here, so for this use try block, and catch exception key, and system.out.println e. Now go here and create one statement yes is equal to connect dot create statement. This is a statement, right? Now string str is equal to select star from your table name, right? What is your table name? Let me see that table name. This is my here, right? It is in documents, and it is login data. Now my data table name is login, that's why I will use let do it open, right? So this is my login data. Login is my table, means login. Now you need to set your result RST, right? I have given here result rslt is equal to result is equal to just dot execute query, right? Execute query, and it should have to execute this query, right? Now while rslt dot next. Now this is for fetching your data, right? Now it is not necessary, that's why come down. Now you need to create your this pst prepare. You have to prepare your statement, that is pst is equal to connection dot prepare statement. This one, right? What you have to prepare means you have to insert your data, insert into your table name, that is login, and what are the attributes we have in login, that is here, right? Username and password. Now I have to use those two, username comma password, close values, and take comma what. Here are the values we have to take from here, and now we have to take those. Now what value you have to enter in your table is ps dot set pst dot set string. Here give position 1, and whatever value you are entering here in this field, that you have to add that. That's why see here, that is my username, and here this is pass only, right? So go to source code and username dot get text, right? You get there, and next pst dot set string, not array, string, sorry, remove this one, dot set string dot set string to position 2, and we need to add a password, right? Pass dot get text. Now after this pst you have to update these values, execute ps dot execute update, right? Is given here, enter it, and if it is successful, then your data will be stored in your database, right? To that, now if it is successful, you have to show message dialog this, and successful, right? Now it is completed. Run your file. Now enter your name, that is I will enter my name, system thing, password I will use password, right? Click it, see connected, Now successful, right? Again change name with thumb and change the password. I love India, right? And submit it, connect it to your database. Now it is showing successful. Now let's see in our database whether it is updated or not. Right now it is open. So we can do see this data is already updated here. That is Python thing, password, and all of India, right? So now if you want to take some more values, then enter it here. Python lama and password I won't change, and I'll do it here, right? So do this amount and enter successful. Again enter connected successful. Enter connected successful, right? So how much you are willing to add your data in your database, you can add to, by creating your own system like this, right? So let us see those data open, because you need to refresh it, right? That's why where is refresh, there is no refresh option. What do you can do, it will automatically refresh, and it is showing that either an object bound to table login is open or another. See now, yes, and go to open. See, these are the data.